In this video, we will learn how to add TikTok link on Instagram. So let's begin. So to put your TikTok link on Instagram, what you have to do is just first go to your TikTok app. This method applies both to iOS and Android mobiles and the iOS and Android versions of TikTok. So once you are here, right at the bottom, there is an icon of account. So just go and tap on this account icon. Once you tap on your account icon, right at the top there is an three dots. So just go and tap on these three dots, and here just go and tap on share profile. Once you tap on share profile, here just go and tap on copy link. Once you tap on copy link, the link will be copied. Once you have done so, just go and open your Instagram app, and here just go and log into your account. So here it is, and here just go at the right bottom, there is an icon of account. So just go and tap on this account icon. Once you do so, here just go and tap on edit profile, and here against the website, what you have to do is just go and paste what you have copied. Tap on it and wait for some time, and here there will be an option of paste. So just go and paste, and here just go and remove all the things except this. So remove it, and it starts with http:// and there is a URL. And here just go at the right top, there is icon of tick. So just go and tick it, and it will be saved. And here what you have to do is to go to your TikTok account. What you have to do is just go and tap on this link, and here right at the top there are three dots. So just go and tap on these three dots, and here tap on open in Chrome, and here you can just go and open in TikTok. Here it is. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.